In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer photos from iPhone to iPad. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So the best method to transfer your photos from like an iPhone to another iPhone or another iPad, anything like that, is going to be AirDrop. And if you want to send a few hundred or just a few like specific photos or complete albums to another active device instantly without messing any cloud backups. So what you want to do first is swipe down on the top right of your screen, and what we're going to do is turn on AirDrop. Now AirDrop has to be on both devices that you're going to be doing this on. If I long press on it, I can, press it again, and then I can press this little toggle, switch it to everyone for 10 minutes or switch it to contacts only. It's up to you, but you can just do it for everyone for 10 minutes and it's, it's only going to be on for that little period. Then what we want to do is go over to our photos application and then find any photos that you actually want to do this with. So I'm going to go ahead and find some right now. Select the photos that you want, and then on the bottom left, go ahead and click share. Then the first option I'm going to see right now is AirDrop. Go ahead and click on that. Now you can do this with photos and videos. And then once you go ahead and do that, it's going to show anyone that is nearby. So then I can just press the share icon. Then once I select AirDrop, this is going to be the flash pop-up. And all I got to do is click the person's name or the iPhone name. And then they're going to get like basically a little prompt on their phone saying, do you want to accept this AirDrop or this share? Go ahead and press yes on their iPhone or iPad, and then you'll be good to go.